Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best heat guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Seekone fast heating heat gun. Whether you need to remove paint, shrink plastic, bend plastic pipes, remove pipe glue, melt candle wax, or soften adhesive on a stubborn sticker, this versatile and heavy-duty 18-watt heat gun from Seekone should do the trick. We like its variable heat settings, high maximum temperature, quick response, and easy adjustment knob. The Seekone's variable heat settings range from a low of 122 degrees, which is useful for thawing frozen pipes and crafts, to a blazing 1202 degrees, which is hot enough for just about any task that requires a heat gun. It reaches maximum temperature in just 1.5 seconds. That's fast. We like how easy it is to adjust the temperature on the Seekone, but we wish the knob had markings to indicate specific temperatures. Instead of specific markings, it simply increases or reduces the heat. Another nice feature of this heat gun is its dual airflow settings. On low, it blows between 190 and 210 liters per minute, while on high, it blows between 250 and 500 liters per minute. The airflow speed on both settings varies within a range based on the temperature setting. The higher the temperature, the faster the airflow. This allows you to tailor the temperature and airflow for your project. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wagner Furno 700 heat gun. The Wagner Furno 700's full temperature range is from 125 to 1,300 degrees, and it provides fine temperature control in 10-degree increments for a total of 117 settings. Plus, there are 5 fan speed settings and a cool-down mode once you are finished working. The LED screen clearly indicates the temperature and fan modes, which are easy to set. If you need both hands free to hold the object you are heating, simply set the heat gun on its built-in stand to hold it upright. This powerful heat gun has many uses, including removing paint and adhesives, softening putty or caulk, fixing cloudy headlights, molding plastics and light metals, melting away waxy crayon, thawing pipes, and more. This heat gun has 2 nozzles to protect glass from heat and create a flare of focused heat. While more expensive than many of our other picks, it's worth every penny if you need high heat levels and the utmost versatility. At number 3, we have the Genesis Dual Temperature Heat Gun Kit. With this reasonably priced dual temperature heat gun from Genesis, you don't have to spend a bundle, nor do you need to give up on quality. It has 2 settings. The lower setting drops the tool to 750 watts, providing 572 degrees of heat, while the higher setting gives you 1,300 watts of power for a temperature of 1,000 degrees. On the lower setting, the airflow is 10 CFM, while on the higher setting, it jumps to 17 CFM. You can comfortably hold the heat gun in your hand as you work, or set it atop a table using its built-in support to keep it pointing upwards for hands-free use. The heat gun comes with 4 nozzles. The reduction nozzle concentrates heat. The 2 deflector nozzles let you focus the heat to protect nearby items you don't want to be heated, such as glass. And the reflector nozzle is useful for thawing pipes or other projects that don't require very high levels of heat. You'll find many uses for this tool, which can even be used to light charcoal briquettes in your grill. At number 2, we have the DEWALT Cordless Heat Gun. This heat gun provides 2 temperature settings, 500 degrees on low and 990 degrees on high. While it takes longer than a corded heat gun to reach the maximum temperature, it still gets there in just a few minutes. This tool can be used to remove paint, soften adhesives, mold plastics, shrink wrap, and complete most other typical heat gun projects. Its built-in LED work light is very handy when using the heat gun in dimly lit locations. The tool comes with a flat nozzle attachment and a hook nozzle attachment, but you can also use standard nozzles from most other popular brands of heat guns. If you already own a DEWALT 20-volt battery and charger, you're ready to power this cordless heat gun, which uses standard 20-volt DEWALT battery packs. If you don't own any DEWALT tools, make sure to add a battery and charger to your shopping bag before you hit the checkout counter, as they're sold separately. With a 5 amp hour 20-volt battery, you can get up to 42 minutes of work time on a single charge. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wagner dual temperature heat gun. It can take up to 1,000 degrees to fully soften and remove many paints, and that's just what you'll get on the high setting of this 1,200 watt heat gun. For tasks that don't need that much heat, the low setting provides 750 degrees, which is useful for a wide range of purposes, including softening adhesives, loosening rusted nuts and bolts, thawing pipes, melting plastics just enough to bend, and shrink wrapping. This heat gun is comfortable to hold due to its grip design and lightweight construction. It also has a built-in stand for hands-free operation if you're performing a task that requires both hands. When not in use, this heat gun includes a built-in hook on top for storing it on your tool shop pegboard. It also comes with 3 nozzles, an edge protector for directing heat away from delicate surfaces, a concentrator nozzle for focusing the heat onto a small area, and a flare nozzle for distributing it along a wide but narrow area. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.